everyone, welcome to Namma Khana Special. Today I will show you how to make a delicious North Indian dish, Punjabi Chole and a special chawal. It's a perfect for lunch meal. So let's get started. Here you can read the ingredients needed. So we'll start the process for special chawal. We'll see the ingredients needed. 1 finely sliced onions, half chopped capsicum, some chopped vegetables, heat 1 tablespoon ghee in the pot. Add 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon peppercorns, then add onions and saute until it's in a transparent color. Then add capsicum, add chopped vegetables. So you can add whichever vegetables you like here. Here we are added potato, cauliflower, peas, carrot and French beans. Now here we are adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, add salt as per your taste, add 1 teaspoon Biryani Masala and mix well so it can absorb the spices equally. Add water. And add washed and soaked rice. Now mix well. So mix well equally with the rice. Now bring to a boil, then cover.
10 minutes later.
So the special chawal ready, as you can see. Now in this stage add paneer cubes and mix well and serve hot special chawal. So now we'll start the process for Punjabi chole. Boiled chole, chopped ginger and green chilies, finely chopped onions, 3 tomato puree, 1 teaspoon chole masala, some paneer cubes. Heat oil in a pan. Add cumin seeds, chopped ginger and green chilies, add onions and saute until it's in a transparent. A small tip, if you want to add pinch salt, the onions will cook quickly. Now add the tomato puree turmeric powder, red chilli powder, pinch dry mango powder, coriander powder, and mix well. Now add chole masala, and cook until oil separates. Now add salt as per your taste. Add chickpeas, now add some water to adjust the consistency. Now let it cook in a simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now finish with the paneer cubes and fresh coriander. Now that's it. Now serve hot Punjabi chole with a special chawal, garnish with the paneer cubes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Till that, thank you.